Well, hey there. I'm just opening up a couple of Zippo lighter fluid bottles. And I'm going to go pour them on this pine tree.
Start pouring. Squirt all around it.
It just kind of dribbles out.
Hold on, I got an idea.
Gasoline!
Okay, so the smoke didn't work, so we got this shit.
Oh my god! Holy shit! Fuck, it's lighting. Here it goes. Oh, there it goes. It started. Oh my god! Oh my god, Chester! Oh my god! Okay, there's still some of the tree left that has not been burned yet, so we are going back to burn the rest of it down. Alright, I'm going to douse some of this too.
Think it'll go?
It's burning pretty bright.
It's getting there.
Oh, there it goes. It hit that part. Oh, it's down at the base too. Oh my god. Ah, fuck, it's burning my belly.
You wanna go put these on the computer and make a movie real quick?
Sure.
Okay.